Hello, and welcome back to the second episode of our exciting series on gut health and weight loss. If you've landed here without watching part 1, hit the pause button now and head on over to watch part 1. It's packed with valuable insights into how an imbalanced gut can throw a wrench in your weight loss efforts and identifies those pesky foods responsible for creating chaos in your gut's microbiome. In this video, we'll flip the coin and explore the other side. If certain foods can mess with our gut health, there are surely others that can make it thrive, right? And that's the focus of our exciting journey today. We're about to embark on a tantalizing culinary adventure where we'll uncover 5 different types of foods that your gut adores, aiding your weight loss journey in the process. But don't worry, this isn't a boring science lecture. We've made it interactive, digestible, and most importantly, practical. By the end of this video, you'll not only be well-versed with these food types, but you'll also understand exactly how they help in your weight loss journey. Are you ready? Our first ally is fiber-rich foods. The friendly bacteria in your gut absolutely love dietary fiber. It's like their favorite buffet. You find this in whole grains, legumes, fruits, and veggies. And here's the magic. As these bacteria munch on the fiber, they produce compounds that are super beneficial for your gut and overall health. Let's talk about one of these compounds, butyrate. Think of butyrate as a kind of superfood for your gut cells. It helps to keep the lining of your gut healthy and combats inflammation. Even more impressive, it's been linked to helping control your appetite and improving your body's ability to burn calories. But wait, there's a significant fiber gap we need to tackle. Shockingly, less than 10% of Americans reach the recommended daily fiber intake of 38 grams. Most fall short due to dietary habits and lack of awareness about fiber's crucial role. So let's remember to feed our tiny gut friends with the fiber-rich foods they love and strive to fill this fiber gap. Now let's introduce some more guests to our gut health party, fermented foods. You've probably encountered some already, like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut. What makes these fermented foods so special? They host a variety of bacterial species, some of which are known to improve the production of hormones that makes you feel full and manage your appetite better. Additionally, some of the probiotics in these foods could reduce the amount of dietary fat your body absorbs and stores as fat, acting as an ally in your weight management journey. So, how about adding a dollop of yogurt to your breakfast or a scoop of sauerkraut to your salad? Next on our journey is the vibrant group of foods that are packed with polyphenols. Don't let the scientific term put you off. It's simply a fancy name for antioxidants found in colorful fruits and veggies like blueberries, as well as in green tea and dark chocolate. As these polyphenols make their journey through your gut, they are met by a bustling community of bacteria ready to transform them into compounds with anti-inflammatory properties. Here's an even more intriguing part. Some polyphenols, especially those found in green tea and grape seeds, helps lower the number of calories your body absorbs from a meal with dietary fat and carbohydrates. Quite a win-win, wouldn't you agree? So, the next time you enjoy a cup of green tea or savor a dark chocolate square, remember that you're not only treating your taste buds, but also aiding your weight management journey and nourishing your gut health. Now, that's what I call a delicious advantage. Coming up next, we're talking about omega-3 fats. Let's call them the nutrition celebrities. Abundant in fatty fish like salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts, these fats are like secret agents for your gut health. They're here to support beneficial bacteria, which are the real superheroes in reducing inflammation and keeping our gut environment healthy. But their job doesn't stop there. Some research suggests that when these fats team up with a reduced calorie diet and regular exercise, they may enhance weight loss. They are also known to create a happier gut-brain relationship. A healthy gut with omega-3s can send cheerful signals to our brain, potentially helping us control cravings and manage our appetite. So, the next time you're relishing a piece of grilled salmon, sprinkling some flax seeds on your breakfast, or enjoying a handful of walnuts, remember, you're not just satisfying your taste buds, you're also giving a VIP boost to your gut health. Finally, we have resistant starch, another intriguing player in our journey towards better gut health and weight management. As its name suggests, this special kind of starch, found in foods like cooked and cooled potatoes, green bananas, and lentils, puts up a little resistance. It boldly avoids digestion in the small intestine, journeying straight to the colon instead. Once there, it becomes a grand feast for your gut bacteria. These friendly bacteria munch on the resistant starch, transforming it into beneficial compounds that can boost your gut health. This whole process is a delightful undercover operation that keeps your gut healthy while also contributing fewer calories to your daily intake. Amazing, isn't it? But wait, there's more. Some studies have found that this stealthy starch can help reduce belly fat. It might be due to its role in improving insulin sensitivity, effectively altering how your body stores fat. So next time you're enjoying a cold potato salad or a green banana smoothie, remember you're also giving your gut a treat. Well, we've certainly covered a lot of ground today. But remember, knowledge is only power when acted upon. So make sure to incorporate these health-boosting food types into your balanced diet. Don't forget to complement your nutritious diet with regular exercise and plenty of hydration. This trio of good nutrition, physical activity, and hydration will supercharge your gut health and weight loss journey. If you've been experiencing symptoms that lead you to suspect a leaky gut, we've got you covered there too. Make sure to check out our video on healing foods for a leaky gut condition. Also, check out our playlist for other weight management topics. If you found this video helpful, let us know. Please hit the like button. It helps us to reach more people and spread the word about gut health and its impact on weight loss. If you haven't done so already, subscribe and ring the notification bell so you won't miss out on our upcoming videos. Leave us a comment down below. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.